Oftentimes when people contact us, the first question they'll say is, how can I prove this? I was a kid, I was 12, 13 years old when this happened to me. The guy who did it is dead. I never told my parents, I never told anybody. How can I possibly prove this? Who's going to believe me? And that's a very common experience. We are very educated and experienced at how to investigate these cases. The chances are you are not the only victim. These pedophiles are prolific, and if you were, for example, an altar boy, there's a very strong possibility that the other altar boys who were there with you at that time were abused. At least some of them were abused, and they too didn't want to say anything. But once we start talking to these people, we find that there are other victims of this perpetrator. We will find that maybe one of them told a parent, or we'll find documents or records that somebody had made complaints about this perpetrator. With enough investigation, we usually come up with the evidence we need to show that this perpetrator was in fact an abuser, abused children at the same time as you were abused. There are psychological tests that are administered that can vet victims of childhood sexual abuse. There are very specific types of testing to determine if a person was a victim of childhood sexual abuse. We have the best experts at doing that. So we put a lot of effort, there's a lot of investment that we make into these cases to prove that this happened, because we believe you.